Yo, what's good guys? Pav here. How's everyone doing? Guys, we have reached 50,000 subscribers. Got something really special for you today. I'm going to be showing you how to create vocals like this in FL Studio. Check this out.
I've been working all week. Gotta pay the bills, you know I can't sleep right now. I really wanna meet you. Working 9 to 5 and I ain't got no time right now. I'm rushing when I eat, and it's all my fault. I'm standing on the beach like wow. I'm awake when you sleep. Ain't gonna work, it ain't gonna work like that. No, like that. No, just like that.
Guys, come on. So if you guys like that, make sure you hit that like button. And make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. Oh my god, guys, we have reached 50,000 subscribers. Need to put some links on for that. Anyway, yeah. Hope everyone's been cool. Been away for a bit, but come back with this one. Now, guys, check this out. We can sound like Lil Tjay, kind of inspired vocals. Obviously, not like him, but we've got the live mic input. Check this out. Alright.
I've been working all week. Gotta pay the bills, you know I can't sleep right now. I really wanna meet you. 9 to 5 and I ain't got no time right now.
Hey, come on. So guys, obviously then we add a few post effects to make it sound just like the way we want it to sound. But I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this. Again, you guys be able to get the full preset below in more description from Producer Buzz. As you guys know, we've done over 83 presets. So I've taught you guys, you know, how to do all these crazy sounds. And I've got a lot more coming. Now, this time, we've gone a bit different. We've actually added most of the effects onto the main sound. Okay, so I'm gonna run you guys through this right now. I'm gonna skip anything and just go straight into this. So the first thing you guys want to do on the main rec, you want to use something called Burton Deiser. Now, what this does, okay, mind your ears, I'm gonna turn it up. Can you guys hear any background noise? Not that bad, right? This is really loud, so check this out. You hear that? All that noise is gone. And that's what it does. The Burton Deiser removes background noise. So if you guys, you know, you can grab it from Producer Buzz. Link in more description. It's free to download and free to use. Now, the settings you guys want to use is minus 12.1 dB on a 10 Hz, 3.2 kilohertz, minus 9.0, and then just turn this up halfway like that. And what that will do is kill off any background noise. Give us this really cool studio noise. Kind of cheating. It gives us this effect like we've got, like we're in a studio room, which is kind of cool because you can now record professional vocals straight from your studio, from your bedroom. You get me? So it's so sweet. Now, then guys, we got Fruity multiband compressor. I'm going to be running you guys through this. So let me just zoom in a bit, so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So just like that. And right on here guys, we've got these 3 bands, the low band, mid band, and we've got the high band. You know, this is the settings to change the vocals from sounding like this to sounding like this. Just gives us this nice kind of Lil Tjay uplift kind of inspired sound. And if we go here at the top, you will see the parameters right here at the hint panel, right? So let me just run through these. So the low band on here guys, the low band is set to minus 18 dB, ratio 2:1, knee 80%. Now I'm hovering over these. You guys can see the figures right up here to speed this up. You guys can pause it if you need to see it. Mid band, and the high band. Now you guys can see the figures right at the top. if I make it a little bit quicker. That part takes a bit of time. So that's the figures to give us the right kind of sound. Then we're using Autotune Antares. There's a link in my description. As you guys can see, this is what it does to the sound. Retune speed 5, humanize 49, just to humanize the sound, and the retune speed is kind of perfect for that Lil Tjay kind of vocals, like at 5. Again, high pitch kind of sound. You know, my sound is quite high. If you got a lower sound, use the alto and tenor. I'm going to leave it at soprano, set it to C and major. This is the key of the track. See, if you're gonna try do it like on this scale, like I've been working all week, you can see sounds pretty cool. Set it to off tune. I've been working all week, gotta pay the bills, you know I can't sleep right now. You can see it sounds off tune. So you gotta make sure that the scale and the key is set with the beat, and that's pretty much it. 14-day free trial if you guys want to go and grab it below. Something like 14 or 19 pound a month, whatever. You know, try it out, learn how to use it, become a pro producer, mixer, sound engineer, vocal professional, whatever you want to call yourself. If you guys just doing this as a hobby, cool. Then we're using Sound Godizer, and we're using the scale A on here, as you can see, just like this. And this will just give us this uplift in our vocals. It turn our vocals from sounding like this to sounding like this. Then we got something called Fruity Reverb, just a default reverb. Now you guys don't have to throw these reverbs on here, you can throw it on the post effects, but I want to record it with it live. I'm pretty confident that I'm not gonna mess up my recording, therefore I'm just gonna throw it on there and bam. Okay, so Fruity Reverb with the default, and just set it to 50%. And again, another Fruity Reverb, just to give us this really cool kind of atmosphere, and set this to about 23%. Now if you guys don't want too much reverb, you can just set it to about 7, but I like the reverb on this one because the post effect I'm gonna use are gonna reduce it and just give us this perfect kind of reverb. And then a soft clipper to prevent anything from clipping. As you guys can see here on the mic input, when it's off, it's clipping, and when we turn it on, bam, it gets reduced, comes down to a safer level, therefore won't cause any problems once we start recording. So Fruity Soft Clipper does the magic there. Pretty cool. Now we can pretty much start recording, you know, so let's just go for it. I'm gonna just do a quick test. Obviously it might be off tune because I'm getting a lot of feedback, but let's just try. I've been working all week, gotta pay the bills, you know I can't sleep right now. I really wanna meet ya, working 9 to 5 and I ain't got no time right now. If you like this, subscribe, hit the like, you know how we do right now. Hey, right now, oh, right now, hey. I don't know, just messing. Did go a little bit off tune, so, but obviously it's like I can't even hardly hear it because of the feedback. And then we're gonna add the post effects, guys. So let me just take some of these sounds off so you guys can hear me and I don't sound like a robot. Right, so this is what we've just recorded, right? I've been working all week, gotta pay the bills, you know I can't sleep right now. I really wanna meet ya, working 9 to 5 and I ain't got no time right now. If you So check that out. Without the effects, post effects. I've been working all week, gotta pay the bills, you know I can't sleep right now. And 11, the effect, post effects. I've been working all week, gotta pay the bills, you know I can't sleep right now. Perfect, right? A little bit off tune, not the best example, but you guys get it. Yeah, so what is on this post effect? It really gets clear and rid of that muddiness and really kind of just adds that links. Where's that links? God knows. Probably put a dent in a wall there, but yeah. It was an accident. So you guys get the point. Please hit the like and subscribe. Can't believe we reached 50k subscribers. That's mad. Like, really cool, guys. Thanks so much. Really like sending out all the love. So guys, on this on the post effects, what you're gonna do is you're gonna set it to these kind of parameters. So you can go on preset, select vocal presence, right, on a fruity parametric EQ2, and all you're gonna do is move this across to the left a little bit, like that. And then just soften it up a bit, move it up, down, and up, down. That's it. That's all you do. So this is gonna just give us that kind of Lil Tjay inspired vocals. Then we're gonna run fruity parametric EQ2. Look at the hint panel. So, sorry, fruity parametric EQ, not 2, just normal one. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna run this, we're gonna set this band 1 to -1.6, 2 0.6, number 3 0.0. Sorry, the last 2 were minus. This is band 3 and band 4 set to 0, and band 5 is untouched, so do not touch these 3. And then the last band, just a bit of an uplift, 0.6, add that on there, and band 6 2.0, and this will give us a really nice uplift kind of sound. And then guys, just to fix up the clicks, noises, and make this vocals ready for Spotify, iTunes, phone, device, car, stereo, whatever you want to call it, we're gonna use a denoiser. Vocal cleaner didn't cost much. Like, you know, if you want to make it sound professional, there's links in my description. Again, you guys can use free vocal cleaners, but I like to use vocal cleaner. It's like 10 or 20 pound, can't remember. I will post a link in my description if you guys want to get it. And what this will do, it's got a preset on here called the Male Hip Hop De-Easer, and all you're gonna do is set the mix to 50% and the output to 2.9, and then the parameters on 100 amount, 50 on the DEs, and the gate on 100%. And what this will do is it will kind of get rid of the muddiness and just give us that crispy kind of ready stereo sound. Check this out.
I've been working all week, gotta pay the bills, you know I can't sleep right now. I really wanna meet you, working 9 to 5 and I ain't got no time right now.
Really cool, right? I mean, it is a professional plugin, and the VA Productions done an awesome sound on programming the right kind of parameters and the right kind of settings you guys need to achieve really clear DEs kind of vocals. And it just does it really nice, because like if you're singing, you're gonna have something that's gonna go up or down, and what this does is it keeps it in the middle, gets rid of any frequencies that we don't want, keeping the vocals really clear, and that's what it does. And then just a soft clipper on there, which we don't really need, but I just want to pop it on there just in case, to be 120% certain that there's not going to be any peaking on my vocals, which clearly there isn't, as you guys can see. And that is it, guys.
I've been working all week, gotta pay the bills, you know I can't sleep right now. I really wanna meet you, working 9 to 5.
Come on, how simple is that, guys? If you guys like that, please smash the like, hit the subscribe, drop in more comments on what you guys want to see. Just before I go, let me just show you this, guys. Just before I go, you guys can download these main effect and post effects. So in more description below, you guys will be able to get the free presets from Producer Buzz. So you can load them to any channel. So you right click onto your channel, file, open track mixer state, just like that. And then you just load up your effect, so the main effect. Bam, there it is. All the settings I've just done ready for you. And on 41 you might want to add the post effects. Bam, there you go, just like that. So all the hard work that I just run through, you can just load it up. I do recommend you guys doing it yourself, trying it out, playing about with the parameters and stuff. That's how you're gonna learn. But if you want to use a preset, go for it. As long as you're happy, that's all that matters. So guys, peace out, thank you for watching. Make sure you guys hit the like, subscribe. Apart from that, see you again, peace out and ciao.